gotta be honest, even though you all saw a video last week, it's been exactly 2 months since I last spoke to a camera, so I'm a little rusty. Bear with me and thank you. And subscribe? No, that comes later. The last time I played a show in Dublin was back at the end of August. I had just moved here. I had no friends, but I actually met one of my best friends in Dublin the night of my last Dublin hostel show, but it was after the video ended, so you'll see him today. Tonight's show is my third time performing at a Generator hostel. In October, I performed at Generator Stockholm. In November, I performed at Generator London, and tonight is the show at Generator Dublin.
There's no one here to see us. I'm sold, so bring me back, butter me up, butter me up. Bring me back, butter me up, butter me right up. I'm sold, bring me back, butter me up, butter me up.
It is almost 6 o'clock now, and even though my show is not until 8, I do have to get there early to sound check and eat, you know, priorities. So I'm about to leave. There's a bus that actually takes me almost directly to the hostel from where I live, so I really want to make sure that I get on that bus, because otherwise I have to change from the DART, which is the Dublin train, to the Lewis, which is the Dublin tram. It's doable and it's actually faster than the bus, but I don't want to do that, so I gotta go.
We're so high up, the city sleeps beneath us. Come closer now, there's no one here to see us. I'm sold, so bring me back, butter me up, butter me up. Bring me back, butter me up, butter me right up. I'm sold, bring me back, butter me up, butter me up. Bring me back, butter me up, yeah. I'm sold, bring me back, butter me up, butter me up. Butter me, bring me back, butter me up, butter me right up. I'm sold, bring me back, butter me up, butter me up. Bring me back, butter me up, butter me right up.
It is almost showtime here at Generator Dublin. I'm super excited. It's so cool that so many of my friends got to come out tonight. That's super special because, you know, being on the road, that doesn't happen that often, that they're all nearby and available. So I'm really excited about this show. I just scarfed down some food. Now I gotta hope that I digest really quickly because I gotta go on stage in like 5 minutes. I'm back home now and it's just about midnight, so I should really go to sleep, but I'm too wired because that show just filled me with so much happiness. I don't want to sound cheesy, I always do, but I can't tell you what it means to me to have an audience full of friends. It's so special because, you know, I'm on the road a lot of the time, which I love, and it's so cool to meet new people all the time, but getting to play a show where all my friends get to come, it's just so cool. And these are all friends that I've met in the last 6 or so months since moving to Ireland. So it's just many levels of very cool, and I just appreciate it so much. So thank you to all my friends who came. Thank you to my new friends who I met tonight at the hostel. It was really special. And I say that about a lot of shows, but I mean it about a lot of shows. If you're new here, welcome. My name's Claire. I'm a musician and a travel vlogger, and I'm doing this very weird tour right now where I'm only performing in hostels around Europe. It's been super amazing. I've had really, really incredible experiences, and I've been making videos every stop of the way, and they're all here on my channel on the internet that you can be updated about regularly if you hit the subscribe button. So please do that, and thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you soon.